Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace your mass airflow sensor. So the mass airflow sensor on your vehicle will detect how much of your airflow and temperature readings and so forth that are going into the engine, and it communicates with the ECU to tell your engine how to perform under the loads that it needs to. They can go bad. You're going to get your fault code that's going to say your mass airflow is out of the readings, out of where it's supposed to be. So if you need to replace it, then you would just replace it. There are cleaners, but they're a 50-50 gamble, so they're not too expensive to replace. So to replace this mass airflow sensor, you've got two screw heads here. They are a size 7mm and or just a Phillips screwdriver. We'll be able to remove them. You also want to undo the electric here. And just set that to the side. And then we got the last one here. You got to just kind of push this little thing up a little bit to be able to get it. Then you just pull it out. And so this is the mass airflow sensor. It's all built inside of there. There's not much you can do with cleaning on that. And so, which would be just that little tip. But you would get a new one and just put it back in. Try not to touch all the sides, and then reinsert the screws. One screw here, which I'm going to find that and do that. And then once you've put the two screws back in, then connect the electrical connector back up, and that's how you replace your mass airflow sensor on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.